Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So our journey began in Puerto Rico and headed straight to Fort Lauderdale in Florida, where Messi will be playing. Unfortunately though, we had to lay over at my very least favorite airport ever. Yep, and that is Orlando Airport. I feel like with me, anytime I have to use the Orlando Airport, there is some sort of drama situation happening, which I don't understand. But thank God at least there was an airport lounge that we could access, which made it a little bit better.
Good morning. I'm so tired.
Anyway, we ended up flying with this airline I have never ever had before. Shout out to JetBlue for this unexpected connection. But I would say though there was not any issues or anything at all. It was a smooth ride, so I'm not complaining. And now we are finally heading towards Hollywood for Lauderdale. So now let's get started.
Por ti mi corazón palpita. Siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo.
Alright, so we finally picked up our car from the rental company, and from there we headed straight to our hotel to settle in. Lionel Messi, we are coming.
Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más, que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Entre las bromas, ay, yo lo sé, que te enamoras.
Oh, welcome to my hotel room in Hollywood, Miami. So let me take you around for a quick tour, starting with the bathroom. Let's go. Bathroom is so spacious, which is so great because I like it like that. It has a cute hot tub in here. It has a mini washroom, which is so great, and the toilet seat goes in here. It is so spacious and wonderful, just like I wanted. And we have the mini closet in here too, which is okay for me because I'm not really gonna hang stuff, but it is fine. Now to the fire of the bedroom! King size bed. Oh my god, I love this place so much. It is so gorgeous, and it has this that I can just relax on, you know. After a long day, I can just sit down and chill. It has this mini fridge too that you can put water or anything in. Now to the best part, the views. You know, I always do bougie views. Let's do it. Let's go get the view. What is a hotel room without a bougie view? Look at that. Tell me this is not gorgeous. Just tell me again if this is not gorgeous. This is freaking gorgeous. It's insane to me because we just came back from Puerto Rico and we were in one gorgeous hotel, so I thought this was not gonna compare, but I was wrong. I was so dead wrong. This is definitely gorgeous, and I'm so impressed with Hilton. Guys, forgive me, I'm looking a little cranky after 13 hours of flight with a lot of layovers, but I had to do this video anyway. So why in Miami? I'm here because of Messi. So if you don't know Messi is a soccer player. I'm not so much like a big soccer fan, but I know Messi and I know that he is here in the United States, specifically in Florida, Miami, playing for Inter Miami. So I came just to watch his match tomorrow. I will be so disappointed if he doesn't come, because I've been following some of the matches that he's been playing, and he's not been coming on certain days, and I'm not sure if he's gonna show up tomorrow. And I know Suarez is also playing. Suarez is Uruguay guy. That guy has a history with Ghana. That would be a story for another day, but yeah, so that is the reason why we came to Miami, and I'm super excited to see Messi. I'll be super pissed if he doesn't come. I'll be so heartbroken, but I'm having high expectation. I'm not gonna start my journey with any negativity, okay? No, positive vibes only. So yeah, that is the reason why we are in Miami, and I'm really looking forward to tomorrow to see Messi and Suarez. So stick with me. I'm gonna give you an update whatever happened on the field, but until then I'm super hungry and I have to go and eat. So bye for now, and I'll see you later.
Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más.
Even though we're here to see Messi, we've still got some fun itinerary that is lined up for tonight. We are heading to the Sunset Cruise later, where we'll be sailing out from the bayside. But before we get into all that, can we take a moment to appreciate this incredible sunset? This view is seriously to die for. Nature is just showing off, you guys. It is so beautiful. I stood here, I didn't even want to leave. I just wanted to just soak it all in. Oh, look at that. Now let's go. Okay, family, so where we are currently is called the Bayside. This is where you'll find almost all the boat tours in Miami. It's actually a very huge marketplace too, so you can do all the shoppings that you want, eat anything that you want, and explore while you wait on your cruise. In fact, I was pretty honestly impressed with the vibes here. I'm not going to lie to you. Maybe because that was not my expectation. And also look at all the Messi fans that you can find around here. The energy is already building up for tomorrow's game. I'm really hyped to be here, to be honest. Anyway, we made our way to our boat, which was the pirate inspired tour. How fun is that, guys? It looks way different than any other boat tour that I'm currently seeing. Now let the fun begins. So we basically got to have this amazing sunset view, and also got the opportunity to see some of the amazing mansions of some celebrities. It was cool. It was a good experience, and we had someone who was narrating all these places for us, so we can know which celebrity owns what property. It was fun experience. Good morning, guys. So something happened on the cruise last night that I totally forget to mention. So there was a raffle, and guess what? We actually ended up being one of the winners. So they asked us to come to the specific location to come claim our prize. So that's what we are gonna do right now. We are very excited. We even canceled our Miami Beach swim plan to go make it to this event, so we can see what it's all about. And yeah, Hilton gave us a voucher, so we ordered for a room service, so they brought us some breakfast so we can have something to eat before we head over.
I'm fine on my own. So don't even bother to come back, 'cause I ain't done. I'm fine on my own.
So you guys, finally we are here to this event. As you can see, I'm all hyped up and I was so excited. Little did I know that this will end up being the worst nightmare of our life, and I would definitely have to do a story time for this one. So yeah, we went around the properties and I will explain all of this later on. I thought everything was okay. It was apparently not. Yeah, but my babe and we just went to the ocean. There was an ocean front at this particular hotel that they took us, so we went around just to take some pictures and just chill, since we were not able to go to Miami Beach before we ended up heading back to our hotel.
Here's what I like: laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts, so then we take a ride wherever. I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always.
You guys, I honestly had a time of my life at this hotel's beach and pool. It was given vacation mood activated. I would definitely do a separate hotel tour so you can see all the amazing amenities that they have. It's totally worth it. But now, here's the moment we all have been waiting for. It's finally time to see the GOAT himself, Lionel Messi. You guys, the entire field was filled with people wearing Inter Miami jersey, and I genuinely felt bad for their opponent because Messi. I was literally seeing Messi and forget. You guys, I was yelling on top of my voice. Like, I was so excited, like, to see him in person. Luckily for us, we were right at the front, so we could see him like clearly in forget. I couldn't contain my joy at all. At this point, I couldn't wait for him to score. You guys, I am so sad because tell me why the other team just scored one and Messi has not scored none. Like, this is so unfair. I came to watch him score and now I can't get to see any goals from him. This is so upsetting. So finally, it is halftime. The other opponents have scored and Messi and Inter Miami has not scored yet, but we just got ourselves some Papa John's and some drink just to cool it off before the half, because I know Messi is gonna score for the second half. Well, the match didn't go as planned. The opponents ended up scoring 3. Inter Miami only ended up scoring just 1. But the highlight, I got to see the GOAT himself, Lionel Messi. I also saw Suarez. I saw Busquets, which was super cool. So we headed straight to the hotel because we had an early morning flight back to another adventure. So thank you all the MVPs who stayed with me to this end. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video next week. Until then, stay blessed and peace out.